parang I feel na parang babagsak na lang ako. I'm just so tired. And parang there's no air lang. Parang...
Claudine, this is what I could tell you. Mahal na mahal ka nung kaibigan ko. Up to the last moment na nagsalita siya, mahal ka niya, mahal ka ng kaibigan ko. Claudine. So,
I don't know how I'm gonna be able to get through this. I still can't believe. I'm so helpless. I don't know. You know, I was just... All I can do is just talk to him.
And what do you say? What do you tell him when you talk to him?
Then he broke his promise again.